Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate eBay promoted listings with campaign reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your eBay promoted listings with campaign reporting, start by logging into your eBay seller account. Navigate to the Seller Hub from the main dashboard. Select the Marketing tab located at the top of the page. Click on Promoted Listings from the drop-down menu. Once on the Promoted Listings page, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button to start setting up your promotions. Specify the name of your campaign to reflect the products you are promoting. Set your campaign budget according to your advertising strategy. Next, choose the listings you want to promote by selecting the checkboxes next to each item. After selecting your listings, click on the Continue button at the bottom of the page. Now, set your ad rates for each listing according to your budget. Once your ad rates are in place, review all the details of your campaign. After confirming all the information, click on the Launch Campaign button to activate your promotion. To authenticate your campaign reporting, return to the Marketing tab. Select the Campaigns option within the Promoted Listings section. Find your newly created campaign in the list and click on it to view its performance. Review the key metrics provided, including impressions, clicks, and sales. If you notice any discrepancies, ensure that your listings comply with eBay's policies. Utilize the reporting features to analyze which listings are performing best. Adjust your ad rates and budgets based on the campaign's performance for optimal results. Regularly check your campaign reporting to track the effectiveness of your promotional efforts. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate your eBay promoted listings and manage your campaign reporting efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.